In order to get going, we need to do a few simple things. The first one is we need to make sure we have an account on GitHub. You can search for GitHub and go to the website, add your email address, and click the green button Sign up for GitHub. Fill in your credentials into the form and click Continue. You will receive a code in your mailbox, which you can add here. Your account is now created. Sign in with your email address and password. You will get redirected to this screen, and this means you now have an account on GitHub. The next step is downloading Visual Studio Code. Look it up on your search engine or just go to the direct URL code.visualstudiocode.com. Click the download for Windows if you're on Windows. For other platforms, click one of these links. Your download will start in your browser, and when ready, we can click on the installer. Then follow the installation steps. Then click Finish. Launching Visual Studio Code will prompt you with a welcome message. As for now, you can just click Set up Copilot on the welcome page. It will ask you to sign in. Open this with the same browser you are logged into to GitHub. Click OK. This will ask you to authorize Visual Studio Code. Click Continue and click Authorize. Then it will prompt you to open Visual Studio Code again. And now we successfully have connected VS Code with GitHub Copilot. As you can see here, when we click Manage Copilot, we get redirected to our GitHub page and we have successfully